Hello friends, in today's market analysis video, we will be discussing about Nifty and some of the stocks that are good for short-term purpose. So before going to the video, let's have a check at all the position that we have took in last few weeks. So this is all the position that are open currently, and as you can see, none of the stop loss have hit yet in this position. Apart from this, there is one update regarding Maruti. The trade was taken on 16th May, and we have booked around 13% profit. Target was hit on Friday. So if you look at chart also, I will show you. So this is the Maruti chart that we have discussed on 16th May, and it had reached a target of 1760, 7600 currently. So this is all about the last week position that we had in for last week position. So before starting with the market analysis video, you guys can subscribe to our channel if you find it helpful and informative. Also, you can hit this bell icon so that you can get notified for all the videos that we upload in the future. So let's start with the market analysis now. So as you can see, there are two major supports available for Nifty as of now. First support is at previous all-time high level, and it is at 15,431. Also, as you can see here, in last week, last Friday, it had touched this level and it had bounced back. So this level will be a strong support for Nifty in coming days. Apart from this, this trend line, which was a resistance for Nifty, will be acting as a support for Nifty, and this level is around 15,000, which is a psychological level as well. So 15,431 and 15,000 is the support available for Nifty. If we see some dip in market till this level, then we can add some stocks for short term. I would suggest not to add any stocks currently. If you are having it, hold your position unless the major support breaks. Don't exit any position because the market is currently bullish, but the major hurdle is around 16,000, which is a psychological support, a psychological level as well. So major hurdle for Nifty is 16,000, and I am expecting some time-wise correction or consolidation in between 16,000 to 15,400. So this is all about Nifty. Let's check some stocks that I have shortlisted for next week. So first stock is Bombay Bumrah. I will open a weekly chart for this. So this line is the resistance for for BBTC, and this is a support. Currently, just ignore this red line and look at this blue line. So currently, the stock is consolidating near this resistance line, which means that is a stronger, which means the stock is very calm, and possibly this can be accumulation before the breakout above this level. So this can be a sign of accumulation for this stock. Apart from this, the red line which I am showing right now, it is also resistance for BBTC, and and the best part is both the lines are coinciding currently. So one can add this particular stock about 1350, 1375. Stop loss will be 1250, and the first target will be 2660. So the target I have calculated on the basis of the range calculation. So I will just show it again to all our friends. So this is the high the BBTC have made when it was trading in this range, and this is the low when this trend line is formed. I have added this about the red trend line, and I have got this particular level as a target. So this is how I have calculated target for BBTC. This is a weekly time frame, and it was in consolidation for around 3 years. So this will be a positional trade, not a short-term trade. So positional traders can only take the position in this. Risk is currently very less against the reward. So the time frame for this holding will be around will be more than 1 year unless the target hit in this case. So the next stock we are discussing is Heranba Industry. So this is the recently listed stock. Its IPO had came in the month of March, and as you can see, this is the resistance line for Heranba. This is a support line, and I have to show you something in this. So the stock had broken this particular support line on Thursday, but again it rejected this level and it gave a close above this particular support line, which means there is a presence of strong buyer in this stock near this support. level, and probably we might see higher levels in this particular stock also. So one can buy this particular stock at around 702. Stop loss will be 665, and target will be the upper trend line, which is around 900. So this is all about Heranba. So next, the last stock is Mahindra Holidays. So in this lockdown and everything, when economy was shut down, when there was restriction, everything, the stock had given a decent correction also after this rally. If you can see in this, the it had formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is a reversal pattern in this case. And this pattern is formed generally after the stock is in down completes its downtrend. So the stock was in downtrend and it had corrected from 440 to 120. And after this, the stock had formed inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is a reversal pattern. And after the breakout, the stock started its uptrend. So currently, the stock had given its breakout. The stock had retested its resistance line, and it had given a close above this resistance line again. So which means there is a strong presence of buyer in this particular stock near this particular resistance, previous resistance line. So the stock is currently very strong, and and it is a positional trade. So one can buy near 252. Stop loss will be 190, which is this particular swing low, and target is 382, which is calculated from this particular range. So this is all about the stock analysis. uh, you if you have learned anything from this video, and if this video helps you, then you can like this video as well. You can follow us on Twitter and Telegram. These are my IDs, where I am uploading market analysis and some stock charts regularly on these two platforms. There is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you, guys.